Nadia. I'm from B Morning class. My student number is 322010157. I will present about English language learning acquisition. Introduction to Second Language Acquisition or SLE. First language. A first language is the mother tongue or native language of a person. A person's second language or L2 is a language that is not the native language or first language or L1 of the speakers but is learned later. A second language may be a neighboring language, another language of the speaker's home country, or a foreign language. Now, let's take a look at this game. Syntax, morphology and lexicon, semantic, sound system, and pragmatics. Syntax is the arrangement of words and phrases to create well-formed sentence in the language. For example, the big book on the board table. The book big board table is the aunt. This one is the correct one, and this one is the wrong one. Another example is Juliana is singing a song in front of the class. Juliana sing on the class in front. This one is the correct one, and this one wrong one. Morphology is the study of words, how they are formed, and their relationship to other words in the same language. For example, word talk. We add some suffix and prefix in front or after the word, like thoughts, talker, talking. These words have a different meaning after we add the suffix and prefix. Another example is word. Reopened, we add the prefix re and the suffix at, so it becomes reopened. As a native speaker, we have to be able to distinguish between the meaning of the same word in two different contexts, such as the word leg in two different sentences. I have 2 legs and break legs. The word leg in the sentence I have 2 legs means kaki, but its difference in the sentence break a leg. It doesn't mean that we break our leg, but it has another meaning that means semangat. Pragmatic is the way we use language in context. Example, will you crack open the door? I am getting hot. Semantically, the word crack would mean to break. But grammatically, now that the speaker means to open the door, just a little to let in some air. Phonology is the study of the patterns of sound in a language and across languages. In sound system, there is a difference between American and British pronunciation. For example, the word water, Harry Potter, and computer. In American, we pronounce these words like waters, but in British, it sounds like water. And the word Harry Potter, in British, we say it Harry Potter. The word computer, American says computer, but British say like computer. Conclusion. From the discussion above, it can be concluded the learning a second language is a process carried out by a learner to master a new language on the condition that he has mastered the first language fluently. In learning a second language, there are several factors that influence the success. These factors include environmental factor, age factor, first language factor, motivational factor. All of these factors can be divided into two, namely factors that come from with the learned and factors that come from outside the second language learned. To increase the success of the second language learning process, several analyses can be carried out in the language learning. The first analysis is contrastive error analysis, performance analysis, and the last is discourse analysis. All these analyses were carried out to see, identify the problem fact, the mistake made by the second language learners. However, the success of learning a second language is very beneficial. Second language is very beneficial for the learner himself. That's all about our presentation. Hope it be beneficial to all of you. Thank you so much. See you.